Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to charge the Apple Watch SE. It's a very simple watch to charge, and it comes with this cable that you see on it. But this cable actually is USB-A, which is in, basically decline right now. There's not a lot of people using this charger. So make sure that you have a power brick like this one, which is connected to the power outlet and has multiple USB-A ports, or you have one that has just one port. So first of all, what we're going to do is grab the USB-A and check how it goes in. Plug it in, and once we have it plugged in, this case is actually magnetic, which is kind of cool because you can actually attach it to something metallic. I actually have it on my bedside table on the lamp, and then the watch has the bottom, which you can see, that actually has to attach to the base. This base has slightly concave on one side and flat on the other, so it goes on the concave side, and it will snap in. As you can see, that snapped in, and now we can see the power little video animation, and that is charging. This will give you a little indication of how it's charging, and if you have it like this, it shows like on the side, and you have it there. So that is how you charge the Apple Watch SE. It's very simple, but like I said, you need to have a USB A brick to be able to charge it, unless you have a different cable, maybe a second brand or something like that, that you use for charging this. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.